Welcome to VLearn's online class. In today's session, we will continue with the principles of logic circuit part 1. And in principles of logic circuit, we will do the method of minimization of gate. As in the previous session, I have already discussed with you that there are three methods for minimization of gate. First is algebraic method. Second is McQueen-Kluski method, or also known as tabular method, and third one is K-maps, that is Karnaugh map, which is the most important method for the minimization of gate. Now, first of all, what is K-map? K-map means Karnaugh maps, which is a collection of cells. Cells means where the row and column intersect with each other, it forms a particular cell. K-map is the easiest and straightforward method for the minimization of gate. Minimization of gate is necessary for the simplification of logical circuit and to reduce the complexity of logic circuits. Now, how we can know that a particular K-map contains how many cells or how many boxes? Now, a K-map for particular number of variables, say n variable, will contain 2 raised to power n cells. It means if a K-map has 3 variables, it means it contains total 8 cells. Similarly, if K-map has 4 variables and it contains total 16 cells, because 2 raised to power 4 means 16s. We will see it with the help of example. You can see here, if there are 3 variables, then it means there will be total 8 cells, that is total 2 rows and 4 columns, or there can be 4 rows and 2 columns, means there will be total 8 cells in case of 3 variables. Similarly, if there are 4 variables, then it means there will be total 16 cells, that is 4 rows and 4 columns. Similarly, if there are 2 variables, then it will be total 4 cells, because 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. There will be total 4 cells available in the K-map. Now you can see in case of 2 variables, there are total 2 variables, that is suppose A and B. One partition will be for A and one partition will be for B. It means rows will be taken for first variable, that is A, and columns will be used to represent the second variable, that is B. Now here 0 and 1 means 0 denotes A complement and 1 denotes A. Similarly, in case of column, 0 denotes B complement and 1 denote B. In case of 3 variables, 2 rows. If there are 2 rows, it means 2 rows means 2 raised to power 1. It means there will be 1 variable to represent rows. It means first row for A and first row for A complement and second row is for A. And for columns, there are total 4 columns. 4 column means 2 raised to power 2 variable. It means there will be total 2 variables in case of column, in case of 3 variable. 2 variable will be B and C. Similarly, if we take 4 rows and 2 columns, then 4 rows will be represented by this method also, that is AB, the 2 variable will represent 4 rows, that is 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4, and 2 columns will be that is 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2. It means C, only 1 variable will be for column here. Similarly, in case of 4 variables, that is A, B, C, D, the variables are divided into 2 parts, that is A, B and C, D. Because there are 4 rows and 4 columns, equal rows and equal columns, you can take A, B for column and CD for rows, or you can take AB for rows and CD for column according to your choice. But the combination here will be 0 0, that is first row will be for A complement B complement, second row will be for A complement B, third row will be for AB, and fourth row will be for AB complement, that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Similarly, for columns, the first column will be C bar D bar, that is C complement and D complement, second one for C complement D, third for CD, that is 1 1, and fourth for 1 0, that is CD complement. And we have to write counting in the cells of K-map to find out the position of values. But the way of writing counting in K-map is 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Similarly 12 13 15 14 and 8 9 11 10. Here you can see the third column is swapped with the fourth one, because if we see the sequence at 0 1 2 3, this will be the sequence, but instead of that sequence we take 0 1 3 2. It means third column will be swapped with the fourth row column. Similarly, third row will be swapped with the fourth one in case of K-map, and the method of swapping will remains same. This is how we can create a K-map of different number of variables. If there are total 8 variables, then accordingly the number of cells will be increased. Here you can see, if we take 2 variable K-map, then there will be total 4 cells. If we take 3 variable K-map, then there will be total 8 cells. If we take 4 variable K-maps, then there will be total 16 cells, and the counting will be, that is third column will be swapped with the fourth one and third row will be swapped with the fourth one. Now we will see an example of K-map. This is the question, that is function of ABC is equal to sigma 0 1 3 4 7. As in the previous session I told you that there are two types of equation, that is sum of product and product of sum. If there is a sign of sigma, it means here you have to find out the sum of product, and if instead of sigma there is a sign of pi, then you have to find out the product of sum. Now if we talk about the sum of product, then the stepwise creation of K-map is, firstly you have to make the truth table. There are total 3 variables. 3 variable means you have to take total 8 combination, because 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. It means you have to take total 8 different combination to make the truth table. That you can take by taking the 4 0 4 1, 2 zeros 2 1, 2 0 2 1 and 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1 and so on. It means by using this method we take total 8 combination of 3 variable, that is A, B and C, and write down the decimal equivalent of these values, that is from 0 to 7. Write down the decimal. Now all the values that are present in this function, that is from 0 1 3 4 7, these values are present in this function, and the values that are present in this function, in front of these values you have to write 1 in the function part. It means the values that are present in this function will be represented by 1 in this function line, and the remaining values will be represented by 0. But making this truth table is not a compulsory part of the K-map. It is an optional part. You can make the truth table or you can skip the truth table. You can directly create a K-map. Now, there are total 3 variables. It means the K-map will be of total 8 cells. 8 cells means 4 columns and 2 rows. 2 rows, it means total 1 variable will be there to present the row, that is A complement in A, and for 4 columns there will be total 2 variables or combination of 2 variables to present the 4 columns, that is B complement C complement, B complement C, BC and BC complement. Now write down the counting here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is third column will be swapped with the fourth one and fourth will be swapped with the third one. Now, the values that are present in the function, that is 0, 1, 3, 4, 7. For all these values, that is 0, 1, 3, 4, 7. For all these values, write 1 in the K-map. This is the method of creating K-map. And after the creation of K-map, you have to make the pair of the values present in the K-map. Now, if we want to make the pair of the values, the first pair that we will consider will be the pair of 8 ones. It means if there are 1 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 8 ones simultaneously in K-map, then we take the pair of all the 8 ones in 1, 1. But there is no 8 ones here. So next is to take the pair of 4 ones. Firstly, we will take the pair of 8 ones. Next is to take the pair of 4 ones. Now you can see, is there is any 4 ones, contiguous 4 ones available here? No. There is no contiguous 4 one available here. So we cannot take the pair of 4 ones. If there is 1 in place of 5, or if there is 1 in place of 2, then you can take the 4 ones from 0 to 2 or 0, 1, 4, 5 if there is 1 in place of 5. Next is take pair of 4 corners. Is the 4 corners are filled? No. Only 2 corners are filled and 2 corners are blank. So you cannot take the pair of 4 corners also. After 4 corners, you have to take the 2 ones, and after taking the 2 ones, if there is any one remaining, then you have to take the 1 ones. Now, in this example, you can see, you can take the pair of 2 ones, that is this one, which we enclosed in a particular circle, then these ones that which we enclosed in a particular circle, and these ones. This one is separated, so we take this one with this particular one, that is first one. Now we have to write down this pair, that is for this value, row name and column name, that is A bar, B bar, C bar is the name of this cell, plus A bar, B bar, C is the name of this cell. It means it is the first pair, that is A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar. It is the name of this first pair. Similarly, you have to take the pair of this one, that is A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. Similarly, you have to take the third pair, that is A bar, BC and A, BC to take the pair of this one. After taking the pair, you have to find out the minimization of these pair by using the simple algebraic method, that is from A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar. This is the first 2 ones pair. Now, in this B bar and C bar is common, the remaining portion is A bar plus A. And A bar plus A will be equivalent to 1. It means the remaining portion is B bar, C bar. Similarly, A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C. And for this, you take the common value, that is A bar, B bar, remaining is C bar plus C, which is equivalent to 1, and after this simplification, the remaining value will be A bar, B bar. Similarly, for the third one, A bar, B bar, C plus A, B, C. In this, B, C is common, A bar plus A remains, A bar plus A will equals to 1 and remaining will be BC. Even after joining all these 3 simplified values, the resultant of value is B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar plus BC. And we will represent this minimized equation of this minimized circuit in the form of gate. That is A bar, A is sent to NOT gate, which results in A bar. Similarly, B is sent to NOT gate, which results in B bar. Both are sent to the AND gate, which results in A bar and B bar. Similarly, B bar and C bar is sent in the AND gate and BC is sent in the AND gate, and all the results and the result of all the AND gates are sent to the OR gate to find out the addition of these 3 equations. This is how you can create the K map. First method is to make the truth table. First step of this method is to make the truth table, which is optional. You can directly put the value in the K-map without taking the truth table. Second step is to create a K-map of according to the number of variables. After creating a K-map, your next step is to make the pair. First pair will be of the 8 ones. Next will be of 4 ones. After taking 4 ones, next will be of 4 corners. Next will be of 2 ones and next will be of 1 ones if any one will remains separated from other ones. After making the pair, the next step is to simplify this by using the algebraic functions, and by simplifying this you have to create a gate, or you have to present this equation by using the logic circuits, as you can see in this example. If instead of sigma pi symbol will be there, then the equation will be of product of sum. And for product of sum, instead of 1 you have to write 0 in K-map, and instead of plus you have to write multiplication sign, and instead of multiplication you have to write plus in this equation. That is, if we take product of sum, then this equation will be represented as a bar plus b bar plus c bar into a plus b bar plus c bar. Means instead of into, plus will be there, and instead of plus, into will be there in case of product of sum. Means and the simplification method will works according to that particular equation in case of product of sum. This is all about the K-maps or the simplification of gates using K-map.